Hello everyone, just a short video about two shipping containers I was given. My wife's aunt was using them for storage on her land, and they're selling the property. She said if I could get them and move them, they're mine. So of course I loaded up the flatbed and went to it. So these are empty right now. They got decent floors, but mainly trying to figure out what to do with them. You know, my first plan was to bring them out here and build a little cabin on the property. We have 40 acres, but no home on it. It's mostly just pasture land right now, and was thinking putting them over there by the lake or by one of the ponds and doing a little 600 square foot-ish cabin, maybe extend them a little. But I don't know. I was also thinking maybe make a nice storage building out of them, put them on the sides, put some trusses on top, and make a decent little storage building out of them. But they're 40-foot high cubes, so they're 9.5 feet tall inside. Actually, that's wrong. They're 9.5 feet tall on the outside. I think that leaves about 9 feet on the inside. But if I was going to make it into a cabin, I think I'd insulate the outside, put some kind of different exterior, maybe make them look like a little log cabin or something. But if not, I may make it into a building, just wrap it up in some R-panel and put some trusses on there and be good to go. Anyways, let me know what you think. I will take videos of it, whatever I decide to do, and post them on the channel as I go. So let me know in the comments what you think I should do with these two. All right, thank you.